Click on the link below to get price. Introducing the Sewing and Embroidery Machine, a versatile tool designed for both novice crafters and experienced seamstresses alike. This machine presents an array of features that cater to various sewing and embroidery needs, making it an appealing choice for those looking to explore their creativity through fabric. At the heart of this machine is a 7-inch LCD touchscreen, which provides a clear and intuitive interface for users. The large screen allows for easy navigation through the machine's numerous functions, ensuring that adjusting settings or selecting designs is straightforward. The digital display is particularly beneficial for those who might not be as familiar with traditional sewing machines, facilitating a smoother learning curve. One of the notable features of this machine is its impressive library of 96 built-in embroidery designs, paired with 162 built-in stitches. This extensive selection caters to a wide range of projects, from simple alterations to intricate embroidery patterns. The variety of stitches includes utility stitches, decorative stitches, and even quilting options, allowing users to tackle diverse sewing tasks efficiently. Whether one is sewing garments, creating home decor, or personalizing gifts, the machine offers a robust toolkit to aid in the creative process. The machine's ease of use is further enhanced by its automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin system. These features simplify the setup process, reducing the time spent on preparation and increasing the focus on the actual sewing. Additionally, the machine boasts adjustable stitch length and width, providing flexibility for users to tailor their work according to their specific requirements. When it comes to practical usage, this sewing and embroidery machine is designed with user comfort in mind. Lightweight and portable, it can easily be moved and stored when not in use. The machine also includes a built-in accessory storage compartment, keeping essential tools organized and accessible. In conclusion, the Sewing and Embroidery Machine stands out for its combination of user-friendly features and versatility. With its expansive selection of designs and stitches, coupled with a clear touchscreen interface, this machine invites users to explore their sewing creativity with ease. Whether one is a beginner looking to start a new hobby or a seasoned sewist seeking an efficient tool for complex projects, this machine offers a reliable option to enhance the sewing experience.